5 things you should quit doing today. I mean, like right now. Number 1, stop trying to please everyone. There are tons of people who wake up every day just to please others, ultimately losing a part of their self more and more and more as they try to please others. Understand, the whole journey of life is finding yourself and learning to accept yourself. So I suggest you stop trying to please people and accept yourself. Number 2, the fear of change. A lot of people fear change. In order to get into new rooms and new results, you're going to have to change. Old ways don't open up new doors. This is a very famous saying. But yet and still, people still want to get into rooms with their old ways. You have to change in order to get to new results. So learn to stop fearing change and accept it. Number 3, man, oh man, you live in the past too much. I understand you could have been the high school cheerleader or the football captain of the team and you won so many games. Listen, no one cares about that. Those days are long gone. In order to move on, you have to accept that those days are over. But if you keep living in the past, you're going to stay in the past. The past is the past for a reason. Number 4, putting yourself down. Value yourself, respect yourself. Understand that you are who you are for whatever reason it may be, but understanding that you are yourself in your own unique likeness. Understand, every day people put themselves down and talk negative over themselves. I can't. I don't think I could. And this is the reason why you won't, because you keep speaking like that over your life. Learn to start talking positive about yourself. Number 5, the monster. The overthinkers, the one that overthink everything. They overthink themselves out of doing anything great. They always think that, you know what? Like stop thinking and just do it. Because sometimes it's not about thinking, it's about action. And it's time you start putting your best foot forward and about action. Don't let that go over your head.